thing everyone thought was dead is officially back. Today, we cover everything. Looks, specs, and the truth. Yes, that's a manual shifter. Let's get into it. No filters, no hype, just the facts. Right away, the Heritage Edition pays tribute to the classic 300ZX. It's a design that feels genuinely respectful of the original. The LED headlights modernize the look without losing that retro character. That long hood and coupe silhouette are pure sports car proportions. These gold finish wheels are a direct nod to the classic Z cars of the 90s. Around back, the full-width taillight bar ties the modern design language together. This side stripe decal is a small detail, but it's genuinely a heritage touch fans will appreciate. The rear spoiler isn't just for looks, it adds real downforce at speed. The roofline stays low and sleek, true to classic Z car design. Down front, the splitter hints at genuine track-ready intentions. Even the mirrors get a sharp, sculpted redesign. Small details throughout show real attention to the heritage theme. In golden hour light, this silver paint and black hood combo genuinely pops. The dual exhaust hints at the performance waiting underneath. Overall, the exterior nails that balance between nostalgia and modern performance. Step inside, and the cabin feels genuinely driver-focused. The gauge cluster borrows analog style cues from the classic Z cars. The steering wheel feels substantial, built for real engagement behind the wheel. And here it is, the 6-speed manual shifter that's bringing enthusiasts back in droves. The seats hold you in place properly during spirited driving. The touchscreen is modern, but it never distracts from the driving experience. The clutch pedal has real weight to it. This isn't a numb, disconnected feel. Honestly, just resting your hand on the shifter tells you everything about the car's priorities. On the road, the Z drives with real confidence and directness. Under the hood, the twin-turbo V6 genuinely delivers on its promise. Launch this thing, and the acceleration feels immediate and visceral. Through corners, the chassis feels genuinely balanced and communicative. Rowing through the gears yourself adds a layer of engagement automatics simply can't replicate. On track, this car genuinely rewards a driver who knows how to use a clutch. Braking performance feels strong and consistent, even under repeated hard stops. Out of corners, that turbo power comes on strong and predictable. Watching this tachometer climb toward redline is honestly part of the appeal. Weight transfer under braking feels well controlled, not nervous or twitchy. Overall, performance here genuinely justifies the enthusiast hype around this car. Now, let's talk honestly. That clutch is heavier than some rivals, which won't suit everyone. The infotainment system, while functional, isn't the most premium in this segment. Demand has been so strong that dealer markups have been a real issue for buyers. Trunk space is genuinely tight, this isn't a car built for road trips with luggage. Real-world fuel economy is about what you'd expect from a turbocharged sports car. Rear visibility is limited, something to keep in mind for daily driving. With around 70% of orders going manual, availability has genuinely been a challenge. Base trim wheels are noticeably smaller than what you see on Nismo models. None of these are deal breakers, but they're worth knowing before you order one. Pricing starts reasonably, but Heritage Edition and Nismo trims climb considerably higher. Compared to the Mustang Dark Horse, the Z leans more toward precision than raw muscle. Against the Toyota Supra, it holds its own with the added bonus of a proper manual option. For buyers who genuinely want to shift gears themselves, the Z makes a compelling case. It's not the cheapest sports car out there, but it earns its price in driver engagement. So overall, is it worth it? For true enthusiasts, absolutely, with a few trade-offs. So that's the Nissan Z Heritage Edition, fully broken down. Would you pick this one? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe for more real, honest reviews.